Hello, class. Welcome to my week 5 presentation on preparing an ethics training. For this presentation, I will be preparing the ethics training for California state government employees who work directly with the public. I chose 5 topics from this week's chapter, along with different resources that will help me plan how the training will be developed and implemented. The first topic I chose is adult learning theory, which focuses on how adults bring their own knowledge, work experience, and life experiences into training. Because of this, adults tend to learn better when the information is practical and connects to situations they may actually face in their workplace. The Disable article expands on this by explaining that past experiences play an important role in how adults learn and how adults are more interested in learning when the information is relevant to them. I can use this approach when developing my ethics training by going beyond just explaining the rules. For example, I could include scenarios about accepting gifts, protecting confidential information when doing casework, conflicts of interest, or helping someone they personally know. This gives employees an opportunity to think through how they would respond and apply what they are learning to situations they could actually experience while working in this role. The second topic I chose is in-house seminars and workshops, which are often used to train employees on workplace rules, policies, and expectations. The article I found focused on ethics training in city government and talked about how it can help create openness, accountability, and help build public trust. It also found that ethics training works best when it connects the information to real scenarios. For my training, I would cover things like conflicts of interest, accepting gifts, confidentiality, and using the proper government resources, and why these expectations are important when serving the public. The third topic I chose is work group development. This focuses on helping employees work better together as a team by improving communication, common goals, understanding different roles, providing support and feedback, and working through conflict if it comes up. It can also help teams adjust when there are changes in the workplace or when employees have different responsibilities. The video I chose focuses on how to build a high performing team. It talks about the importance of building trust and respect, having clear goals, communicating openly, and creating a team environment where everyone can contribute. I can use this in my ethics training by including opportunities for employees to communicate and work together instead of making an individual training. For example, employees could work through an ethical situation as a group, discuss how they would handle it, and hear different perspectives. This can also help create a team environment where employees feel comfortable asking each other questions or speaking up when an ethical concern comes up. The fourth topic I chose is leadership development. Leadership development focuses on making sure supervisors and managers continue building the skills they need to lead their employees, including honesty and integrity, managing conflict, implementing policies, and supporting their staff. The video I chose focuses on ethical leadership and talks about how leaders can have a strong influence on the ethical behavior of their employees. It also explains how leaders can become overconfident in their own decision making and may not always recognize when they are making an unethical choice. For my training, I would have supervisors and managers complete an additional 30-minute section focused specifically on ethical leadership, decision making, and the example they will set for their employees. The last topic I chose is organizational performance and innovation. This focuses on how organizations can continue to improve by creating an environment where employees are able to learn, share ideas, and find better ways of doing things. Training and development can also help create a workplace where employees feel comfortable contributing and working together toward the goals of the organization. The SHRM article I chose talks about how employees with different backgrounds, experiences, and skills bring different perspectives to their workplace. I really like this because every employee brings something different to the table. When employees are able to collaborate and share their ideas, they can learn from each other. look at situations from different perspectives and come up with solutions together. I think this is important for creating a positive work environment where employees feel like their ideas and experiences are valued. I can also bring this into my ethics training by creating opportunities for employees to discuss different situations together. And I also think it's important as technology is changing, there's different ethics that have to be implemented as well.